Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will explore an essential feature of Creo Parametric, the Save As interface. To begin, let's define what a Save As component interface is. You can save the constraints and references used to assemble a component to a component interface feature using the Save As interface dialog box. With the assembly dashboard open, right-click in the graphics area and select Save As Interface. This opens the Save As Interface dialog box, enabling you to create the either type interface. You can save interfaces by editing the definition of component and then saving its interface during the initial assembly process. After all constraints and references have been defined, or at the later time, an interface saved using the Save As Interface dialog box is created as either type interface. If you need to change it to placing or receiving interface, you can edit the definition of the interface to do so. Let's demonstrate with practical application. Here we have this block and we will assemble this spherical component by using Save As Interface. First of all, we will assemble this spherical component in this block. Now right-click on Graphics window. Here select Save As Interface. Give it any name. Complete this assembly. Now we will again assemble this spherical part by using Save As Interface. Complete this assembly. Open this part. You can see a interface inside this component. Right click on this interface and click on Edit Definition. Here you can change the type of component interface. This completes the demonstration. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you.